An inspection gallery in a dam is a passage or tunnel that is built into the structure to allow for the monitoring and maintenance of the dam. These galleries are typically located at different levels within the dam and are used by engineers to inspect the internal structure, monitor seepage, and assess the performance of various components. Key features of an inspection gallery. Location, typically found at different levels within the dam, often near the foundation or in the body of the dam. Purpose, used for visual inspection, instrumentation monitoring, and access to critical areas for maintenance and repairs. Design, these galleries are designed to withstand the pressures within the dam and are usually constructed from concrete with reinforced walls and ceilings. Instrumentation, equipped with sensors and instruments to monitor water pressure, seepage, and structural movement. Access, provides access to key components such as drainage systems, pressure relief wells, and other embedded instruments. The inspection gallery is crucial for ensuring the safety and longevity of the dam by allowing engineers to detect and address potential issues before they become serious problems.